Hey folks, welcome to WiseGains. Today I'll be talking about Apex Clearing, which is going to be merging with Northern Star Investment Corp, ticker symbol NSTB. And I'm going to be covering what Apex Clearing does, what are the upsides, what are the downsides. But before I jump into more details, please note that I'm not a financial advisor. You need to do your own research and due diligence before investing your money. Apex Clearing was formed in 2012. It's a Dallas, Texas based company, and it is one of the fastest growing digital custody and clearing platform. Apex basically empowers its clients, which includes online brokerages, traditional wealth managers, wealth tech, professional traders, and consumer brands, among others, with instant account opening, trading, funding, execution of trades across a wide array of assets, streamlined digital movements, as well as trade settlement and safekeeping of customer assets. They are also in managing into crypto assets or cryptocurrencies, which basically their platform basically provides support in order to perform all the financial operations related to crypto trading. Apex Clearing has been recognized as by Fast Company as one of the world's most innovative companies. Also, Apex Clearing has been named as one of the best wealth management company for fourth consecutive year in the annual FinTech Breakthrough Awards. At present, the company currently serves 200 clients globally. There are major organizations, especially the fintechs, that are basically going to be massive in the coming years. Like SoFi is one of their customers, and from the brokerage firms you can see Webull, eToro, and Ali Invest. And you can see they have a wide range of customers, and that basically tells how powerful their platform is. Now, if you look at how Apex Clearing generate revenues, you can see there are various streams of revenue generation. One is fees collected for opening new accounts instantly, interest generated on client cash and margin loans, interest received for client security lent, fees earned on trading, clearing, settlements, and custody, fees and rebates for other core clearing, compliance, and regulatory services. What it means is that every time someone performs a transaction, whether it could be just placing a trade or or opening an account on any of these platforms that we looked at, that means Apex Clearing is basically generating continuous revenue out of that. So if you look at all the companies, they are basically providing the services. The amount of transactions that are occurring on these various large platforms basically means there's a big revenue kind of generation happening behind the scenes for Apex Clearing. The total addressable market, it is almost like close to 100 billion, around 50 billion self-directed brokerage accounts, around 43 billion in traditional advisory services companies, around $1 billion in digital advice, and around 6 billion on data aggregation. So they have multiple streams of services or the financial institutions where they can provide the services. Unlike other SPAC mergers where it's all like just story based, no products, or the revenue generation is going to happen few years down the line. This company is already generating revenues and profits. Their 2020 total revenue was $236 million, and with the profit of around like $75 million, I believe. And if you look at their projected the growth rate, it is like almost like 21% growth rate for the next 2 to 3 years, which is a good growth rate. So by 2023, as you can see, their total revenue is going to be somewhere around $500 million or $500 million, right? Apex is going to be merging with NSTB, and this is going to become APX as the once it get merges. Now, if you look at their the NSTB stock price, it's somewhere around like $10.21, which is pretty much the base price for any of the SPACs that are going to be merging with companies in the coming year. And given the tech stocks sell-off that has happened in the past few weeks, this stock pretty much has stayed at this kind of a base price range for several weeks now. Now, given the Apex Clearing, the business and the projected growth rate and their revenue model, I strongly think this stock is going to perform very well in the coming months or later part of this year, and I would not be surprised if it becomes a 2x or a 3x kind of a stock. That said, if you are a short-term kind of investor looking for a quick high gains, this may not be a perfect choice for you. But if you are looking into investing in a fundamentally strong company, looking for a long-term kind of a good returns, this could be a good buy at this particular price range. Why do I think Apex Clearing is going to do well, or why am I so positive about Apex Clearing is the reason. If you look at the trend in next coming years, there will be a lot of fintech companies that are disrupting the way the financial business is conducted are coming on board, which means these companies also need behind the scenes some strong support in terms of conducting all these operations efficiently, right? And I believe Apex Clearing is one such company which is very well positioned in order to provide such services for these digitally innovative and transformative companies. So with more fintech companies coming on board, given that Apex Clearing is already a leader in this sector, they will continue to expand their footprint, and they are very well positioned in order to grow globally. The major downside for this company is if a financial organizations which Apex Clearing is providing services to, if they decide to handle all these operations in-house, it could be custody management or it could be even clearing, then that's where basically the company might end the contract with Apex Clearing, which means loss of revenue and business for Apex Clearing. So this is the only major downside that I see for this company, which you as an investor must be aware of. I hope the information shared today is going to be helpful to you. If you did like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And in the coming weeks, we'll be sharing similar videos and information that's going to be helpful for you to make smart investments and gain wisely. Until next time, thank you so much. Stay safe.